Today we are exploring the integrations within the Privyr app. This is a CRM, customer relationship management app that is a useful tool. So come and check it out. Okay, so this is what the app looks like on desktop. At the very top, I click integration and I get to see all these different programs that this app integrates with. I'll just go over them quickly with you. We have Facebook, LinkedIn, WordPress, TikTok, Google Forms, Google Ads, Wix, ClickFunnels, webhooks, Zapier, Jotform, Typeform. The list goes on and on. I'll just go to the next. You can just scroll down and see. We have many of these I haven't even heard of. Magic Brick, Housing, a lot of different sites that this can actually integrate with, which is really nice. Now, what I use it for is Facebook. So if I were to have a Facebook ad, it would be linked with Instagram. If someone clicks on my ad, it automatically pulls them into this Privyr CRM. So I don't have to download all the information and upload it into this app. It's automatically there. I get notifications right away. So it's really handy and it saves some time that way. So if you are looking for a way to use the information from your sites and bring it into a CRM, this could be an app for you. So if you want to bring in a client list from a different source, you can go into import and export clients up at the top here, and you can import with an SCV file, or you can export as well right there. So this is where you will find the integrations on the desktop application of Privyr. Okay, so if you're using Privyr on your phone, this is where you can find the integrations. So I go to my account, click on integrations, and here's the list of all the different programs that it can connect with. So if you use one of these types, this app could be very, very helpful to you. It will automatically bring in your client list as your client lists grow. So super helpful. So you just select the one you want, set up the configurations, connect, and you're good to go. And again, if you want to import or export clients, you just click on it up here, and you can do that all from the app as well as the desktop. So if you have found this Tech Talk tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share so other people can benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.